Welcome to Drunk on Sports. Pero sober. Aga pa eh. Topic natin. FIBA Asia Rankings. Agree ba tayo? Let's go. Numero 1, Australia. No arguments there. Unbeaten. NBA level talent. Ang lalaki. Good. Next. Number 2, medyo surprise. Lebanon. Slam. Lagi naman talo yun so far ang Gilas. Wala pa yung Araki. No arguments. Next. Number 3, surprise. China. Bakit? Pabalik na daw yung Zhao Qi. Yung gigante. But we paid them. I don't see why. 4, Japan. Darlings of Asia for now. With NBA talent and good coaching. So, okay lang. Natanong kayo kung saan ang Gilas. Number 5, dati. Number 2, lag. Main factor, the performance dun sa Doha tournament. But, hey, walang kaisot. So, yun yung top 5. Agree ba? Comment lang. Bye.